Hey everybody, so I've slid the hitch in, or the carrier I should say, into the hitch, and I put a lock or a brace on it to keep it from shaking, and then I added this lock until I get my chain, because even though you can lock it right here, I bought a lock right there, someone can still come along and do something else. And okay, so here is the issue I ran into. When you open up this carrier, it's slanted, so I had to do some drilling. So I contacted the seller and they never replied. So on Amazon there's actually a new seller selling this carrier if you're still interested. If you notice on the top of my carrier, I'm using an iPod. It's a different carrier top. It's shorter, but I was using tie down strips and people were cutting my straps. So I had to put something more solid on the top. And so that top is from an iPod carrier. And it seems to fit. You know, it's not perfect. It's a little bit short, but it still is doing the job. You can put probably 3 boxes in here. I have one large one and then a small one. And so, yeah. Actually, it's called a Carpod carrier. Or Arksen has it too, if I even said that right. But yeah, so it's metal. And since they were cutting my ties, this seems more substantial. I have 4 locks on it. I mean, if they want to get something, you know, if they really want it, they can get it. This is just to deter anybody who's trying to take. And believe it or not, people with tie downs, they're not saying it, but they're getting ripped off. It is a problem. So I have locks on mine. 2 locks, not just one lock, because usually when you buy a hitch, it's not a fold down and then you can just lock the hitch, but you know, someone can just come up and pull it and take whatever they want. So I had to buy 2 locks. There's a lock on here, right here, a Kirk lock, and then another lock back here, and then have a stabilizer. So, but what I had to do is I had to end up drilling these holes to make sure everything fit, because everything did not fit when I bought this carrier. So this is just a kind of an update of my carrier. I've had it for over a year, and I like it because I can move things over in the back here and I don't have to carry it inside. If I wanted to put my bike in here, I could, because it folds up. But I usually keep it inside, just, you know, out of sight, out of mind kind of a thing. And it is a problem when people go camping, or, you know, they're boondocking. They have issues. Maybe they haven't said anything about it. Maybe some have, I don't know, but it is an issue. So, like I said, I have 4 locks all around, and that's how I'm doing it. This is a video about my carrier. Hope you like it. Take it easy. Take care. Oh, there you are.